In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notification settings in Microsoft Teams. If you've been getting interrupted by alerts while you're working or meeting, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go to take control of them. First, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser. You can use the latest version of any modern browser. Once Teams loads, give it a moment to finish signing you in and displaying your workspace. You should see your chats, Teams, and calendar on the left and your main content area in the center. Now, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll find a small icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes labeled as Settings and More. This is the menu that holds many of your personal preferences, including notifications. Click the 3-dot icon to open the drop-down menu. You'll see several options appear. We're interested in adjusting how Teams notifies you, so we'll go into the main settings area. From this menu, select Settings. This opens a dedicated window or panel where you can customize how Teams behaves for your account. Everything you change here only affects you, so it won't impact anyone else in your organization. Inside Settings, choose Notifications and Activity. This section centralizes all notification controls, including sounds, banners, and feed preferences. It's the right place to go when you want fewer interruptions or a quieter experience during focused work. Here, locate the option to mute notifications and turn it on. When you enable mute, Teams will pause alerts so you won't see or hear new notifications while it's active. This is especially helpful during presentations or deep focus tasks. Remember, muting notifications stops the interruptions but doesn't delete anything. Your messages and mentions are still collected in your activity feed, so you can catch up when you're ready. If you need to receive alerts again, come back to the same toggle and turn mute off. While you're here, take a moment to review the surrounding options to fine-tune your experience. You'll typically see controls for sounds, message previews, and how alerts appear on your screen. If completely muting isn't right for you, adjusting these options can reduce noise without silencing everything. The goal is to strike a balance. Important messages still reach you, while routine updates wait until you're available. That's all you need to manage your notification settings in Microsoft Teams. Open Teams, use the 3-dot menu, go to Settings, open Notifications and Activity, and toggle mute when you need quiet. With these controls, you can work without constant interruptions and catch up on your terms, on your